What is up, guys? So I'm going to go over the use of emojis. This can also help the QC and chat managers. So common I see is people coming across a little bit too needy, okay? So you want to be flirtatious and emojis can help with that, okay? So I'm going to go over some examples just off the top here. So for this one, let me see. Okay, you could be like, hey John, you today. Okay, so that's just, how are you today? You have work. This is just like a normal conversation. Reply, normal conversation. Okay, that's just being general. Okay, the beginning of starting to build rapport. Okay, this could be a spender. Okay, now we can use the same message and we could swap it with this one. Okay, now there's a huge difference if you can just, hey John, how are you today? Comment. Did you have work? Okay, like even question marks and leaving it open like that, that makes a big difference too. Okay, that's like, oh, how are you today? Did you have work? Like work. Did you have work? Did you have work? You're trying to get the tones, okay? Tones and messaging. Hey John, how are you today? Did you have work? Okay, the second one. This is general and quite open, right? Kind of desperate. Hey John, how are you today? Did you have work? That's like, oh, scarcity. Why is she doing that face? What does she want from me? Like if I saw that, like if you saw that, what would you think? Okay, so when you're like talking to spenders and they haven't replied, how about we go like this? Hey John, and then be like thinking. So like I'm thinking, the girl's thinking, hey John. It's like, hey John, are you busy? Are you busy? And you could be like, how's your dog? How's your dog? Like I'm kind of asking, like you kind of don't want to do like double question. Like that's double question mark. So either choose which ones. You'd be like, hey John, are you busy? Are you busy? You'd take out that one, right? Are you busy? How's your dog, right? And then you put, so you're thinking there, either, oh, there's another one. You could do a heart. I wonder if the things here work. Like, you could do a heart, or you could do, what's another one? That one. Maybe that's too much, okay? How's your dog? That's coming across genuine, okay? So that's another example, okay? And for instance, when the person doesn't unlock, we have that on the automated messages, okay? I'm not gonna go over that. So use that. When it does come to place, right? And you wanna say, I miss you, right? Hey, it's while miss you, how's everything? Ask double questions. Miss you, how's work been? Miss you, you want to be like exaggeration. You want to kind of miss you. You don't want to put this one in. Do not do this. Do not say I miss you and then put this one in. Okay, no. Never do that. Never do that. Never do that. Okay, never do that. Yes. Instead, miss you, wink face, more flirty. Miss you, how's work been? That's like uplifting. Hey, and like do that. Hey, hey, energy, boom, energy. Okay, purposely make spelling mistakes so it's genuine. Okay, hey, you were like name. So see how I'm asking like a direct question, and I'm also in this instance it's a bit of a statement, a flirtatious statement. And then I'm saying, oh, how's work? This comes across Look, this is mostly because of you've already built rapport. This is trying to keep the conversation going, okay? So the next part is you'll get them to reply, but if they're being distance, you want to add in drama. So I'm gonna touch this in a more. So for this, the good thing with this is actually you want to instigate withdrawing attention. Drama is all about attention. Now, if you give the person too much attention, then he's got abundance. Okay. Now, if you're the one as the model withdrawing attention, then you have the upper hand. Okay, and that's one way of creating drama. Okay, so you're not thinking about. Not necessarily, because if you have your specific clients on your shift, you're trying to get them to be a consistent buyer over 3 to 6 months. Okay, ideally 1 year, right? So when you're doing it, you want to withdraw the attention and see, oh, why isn't she replying? Okay, and you want to leave on a high note, because a lot of times when they finish, they have post-nut clarity. So if you come in with a conversation and it's positive, and then you just pull out the conversation, be like, I'm going to leave this guy, no mass message, leave this person alone, tell the chat managers tomorrow I'm going to try to sell him, or like gear him up, and then you come back the next shift, the next day, and you're like, oh hey, sorry, I've been a bit busy helping my mom, and then you just boom, 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 and then you can upsell real quickly. Now we have support here, okay? So this can definitely be done, okay? So that's one way of creating drama with chatting, okay? But you need to have the communications and say, look, I'm talking to this guy, he spends good money, I'm not trying to sell him today, but I'm trying to set him up for another day, okay? Now if you can talk to that with a chat manager QC and put him in, and then leave him, mute him, or just say do not open on the thing, do not open, and then put this drama, then yeah, you're gonna have a good, longer lasting clients, okay? Okay, so this is more advanced for the drama chatters, but you can start to play with that as well. Do not give everyone abundant amount of attention, especially if they're not paying. You want to withdraw attention, okay? So put in this, I want to see more of this, creating drama, so then it's not necessarily today, but that person will be thinking about that girl that you're managing, that you're representing on chat, a lot better. No, not a lot better. While he's at work, he'll be thinking about the chick, okay? He'll be like, oh, this fucking OnlyFans girl not replying to me. Why? Every other fucking OnlyFans girl, you know, that's what he'll be thinking, like, oh shit, well, this person's legit. So take this into consideration. It's a little bit more advanced. The emoji thing, if you can nail the emoji thing, then that's a step towards the next step, which is just drama, okay? Creating that drama, withdrawing attention, and it will definitely help your chatting, okay?